into the abyss. Unveiling the Mariana Trench, imagine standing on the edge of the Earth's surface, gazing out into the infinite expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Below the calm waters lies a world so deep, so remote, and so untouched that it remains a mystery to most of us. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our oceans, is found in the western Pacific Ocean, stretching across thousands of miles. At its deepest point, the trench plunges to a mind-boggling 36,000 feet deeper than the height of Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain. To put this into perspective, if you were to drop Mount Everest into the trench, its peak would still be more than a mile below the surface of the water. This remarkable abyss is a place of extreme wear. No sunlight penetrates, where the crushing weight of the water creates a pressure that would collapse any vessel not built to withstand it, and where temperatures hover just above freezing. Despite its hostile conditions, the trench holds some of the Earth's most extraordinary secrets. Yet this vast, unexplored realm remains one of the most difficult environments for humans to study, and as a result, it has largely remained beyond our understanding. Only a handful of expeditions have ventured into the depths, and each new dive uncovers more about the trench's incredible mystery. Life in the deepest darkness, the extreme conditions of the Mariana Trench might make it seem like life would be impossible here. But in this uncharted darkness, some of the most fascinating creatures have found a way to survive. The trench is a place of unrelenting pressure, about 1,000 times the pressure we experience at sea-level freezing temperatures, and utter darkness. And yet, in this eerie void, life flourishes in the most surprising ways. Take, for instance, the xenophyophores. These are single-celled organisms, but they can grow as large as a football. They've adapted to survive in the trenches, crushing pressures, and lack of light, forming unique ecosystems on the ocean floor. They are just one example of the many life forms that thrive in this otherwise inhospitable environment. Many creatures here have evolved to create their own light, using bioluminescence to attract prey or communicate with others. Creatures like the deep-sea anglerfish are equipped with specialized body parts that allow them to survive in near-zero temperatures and endure pressures that would crush a human. Perhaps most astonishing of all is the fact that life in the trench has evolved completely independently from the life on the surface. The creatures of the trench have adapted to a world with no sunlight, no warmth from the sun's rays, and no contact with the outside world. This biological isolation has led to the development of unique forms of life that can survive under the harshest conditions, which scientists are still working to understand fully. Some of these species might hold the key to breakthroughs in medicine, technology, or even the search for life beyond Earth. Geological wonders of the trench, the Mariana Trench, isn't just a biological wonder. It's also a geological marvel. The trench was formed by the process of subduction, where one tectonic plate, the Pacific Plate, is being pushed beneath the smaller Philippine Plate. This ongoing geological activity continues to shape the trench, making it an invaluable area for studying the Earth's past and present processes. The trench is not only the deepest part of the ocean, but it is also home to some of the most extreme geological activity on Earth. Along its length, there are massive underwater mountain ranges, deep-sea vents, and volcanic activity. One of the most fascinating features of the trench is the presence of hydrothermal vents. These vents, which release mineral-rich fluids from the Earth's mantle, provide life with the energy and nutrients needed to survive in an otherwise barren environment. Scientists believe these vents may offer clues about the origins of life itself, and possibly the resources we may one day need in the future. Understanding the trench's geological features is crucial for understanding Earth's processes. The movements of the tectonic plates beneath the trench play a role in shaping our planet's surface. By studying these plates, scientists can learn more about how the Earth's crust is formed, how earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur, and even how continents drift over millions of years. The trench is like a time capsule, preserving a record of Earth's geological history that stretches back millions of years. It also offers insights into how our planet might continue to evolve. Unraveling the mysteries, though, we've learned a great deal about the Mariana Trench. It remains one of the least explored areas on Earth. Some scientists speculate that there may be species in the trench that we haven't even discovered yet, creatures that could have evolved in complete isolation over millions of years. The trench is also believed to harbor hidden geological structures that could hold the key to understanding the Earth's deep interior. In addition to these mysteries, there's a tantalizing possibility that the conditions in the trench could be similar to those that might exist on other planets or moons in our solar system. Could life in the trench provide clues to the possibility of extraterrestrial life? The discovery of extremophiles organisms that thrive in extreme environments like those found in the trench has opened up exciting possibilities for the existence of life in places once thought inhospitable. Perhaps one day, we'll find that life beyond Earth has adapted in ways similar to the life forms in the trench. With each new expedition, we push the boundaries of our exploration. Advances in technology, such as deep-sea submersibles, remotely operated vehicles, and high-tech cameras, are allowing us to peer further into the depths than ever before. And as we continue to learn more about the trench, we get closer to answering some of the most profound questions about our planet and about life in the universe. A call to protect the unknown as we venture deeper into the Mariana Trench. It's crucial to remember that this fragile ecosystem is at risk. The trench is one of the last truly untouched places on Earth, and yet it is facing increasing threats from human activity. The rise in ocean pollution, the impacts of climate change, and the expansion of deep-sea mining could have devastating effects on the life that calls the trench home. Preserving this unique ecosystem must be a priority. Sustainable exploration and conservation efforts are needed to ensure that the trench's delicate environment is not harmed by the pressures of human activity. We must strike a balance between exploration and protection, learning from the trench without exploiting its resources. In this way, we can continue to study its wonders for future generations, and perhaps uncover even more mysteries about our planet and the life that thrives within it. The Mariana Trench is more than just the deepest point on Earth. It's a testament to the resilience of life, a window into Earth's history, and a place where we might just uncover answers to some of the universe's greatest questions. Let's continue to explore it responsibly, preserving its integrity for years to come.